is hard to carry after dark. You're the blame for when we could have been, cause look at where we are. Your friends are scared to tell you you went too far. Funny that it's always been about you from the start. I met someone new last night and we kicked it, and I'm going back there tonight, and you know it's on my mind this time. I'm going back there tonight, and you know it's on my mind. If you had my love and I gave you all my trust, would you comfort me? And if somehow you knew that your love would be untrue, would you lie to me? If you had my love and I gave you all my trust, would you comfort me? And if somehow you knew that your love would be untrue, would you lie to me?
That's just how I feel when I'm around your body. Last night we didn't say it, boy, but we both thought it. Why second guess I should've stayed? You say the words, I'm on the way. This shit feel like teenage fever. I'm not scared of it, he ain't either. Second guess I should've stayed, cause you know what's on my mind. If you had my love and I gave you all my trust, would you comfort me? Tell me, baby. And if somehow you knew that your love would be untrue, would you lie to me? Tell me, baby. I should've stayed. You're gonna have to do more than you say. You're gonna have to do less when you do it. Come on, baby, you know I always want you to. If you had my love and I gave you all my trust, would you comfort me? Oh, tell me, baby. And if somehow you knew that your love would be untrue, would you lie to me? Tell me, baby.